Okay, last class I had discussed about critical angle. Critical angle exists only when ray of light travels from denser to the rarer medium. The angle of incidence in the denser medium for which the angle of refraction in the rarer medium is 90 degrees. That is 90 degrees. Rays just touching the surface and going. Then this angle is called critical angle. You remember that. And I give example, critical angle value for glass, air. If it is glass and air, this value will be 42 degree approximately. For water, air, the critical angle value is 49 degree. And critical angle value for diamond air or just for diamond it is 24 degree or 25 degree approximately. Okay. When the angle of incidence is less than critical angle, what will happen? The ray will be bending away from the normal somewhere here. If this angle is lesser than that, the ray will go here, bending away from the normal. And when the angle of incidence is more than that, the ray will be returning back in the same denser medium like this, the same denser medium. And the phenomenon is called total internal reflection of light. Our today's topic will be total internal reflection of light. Just give the heading. Give the heading total internal reflection of light. Total internal reflection of light. In short, we call it TIR. TIR, total internal reflection, we call it. Okay. Write down the definition of total internal reflection of light. Right. It is the phenomenon. It is the phenomenon. It is the phenomenon in which. It is the phenomenon in which a ray of light traveling from denser to the rarer medium, a ray of light traveling from denser to a rarer medium reflects reflects back in the same denser medium from the surface separating the two media separating the two media Okay. So this phenomenon, as we have written only the definition, this phenomenon is called total internal reflection, and in short we call it TIR. Okay. Now next paragraph, now you write down necessary conditions for TIR. Necessary conditions for TIR, total internal reflection. Okay, there are two necessary conditions. Right, number one, first one, the ray of light. First condition is the ray of light must be traveling from the ray of light must be traveling from denser to the rarer medium. Denser to the rarer medium. Denser to the rarer medium. And number two, second condition, the angle of incidence must be greater than the critical angle for the pair of media, for the given pair of media, for the given pair of media. Okay, right under bracket, I must be greater than C. I means angle of incidence must be bigger than the critical angle, must be greater than C. Within bracket, you write I greater than C. Then only the total interreflection will take place. That means your ray must be somewhere this side, so the angle of incidence become greater than the critical angle. Okay. Put an asterisk below and write down TIR is total internal reflection. TIR is TIR is so-called total. TIR is so-called total because in such reflection, there is no loss of energy. There is no loss of energy. In such reflection, there is no loss of energy. There is no loss of energy. Okay. The question comes very often total. Why the word total is given? Internal is understood because it takes place within the denser medium. But why it is called total? Total means 100%. Because in such reflection there is no loss of energy. When we talk about the ordinary reflection through the wall, through a surface reflection, or maybe through a mirror, so there will be loss of energy. Incident light and the reflected light will have less energy than the incident light. There will be loss of energy due to the absorption by the reflecting surfaces. Some energy will be absorbed by the surface. Whatever it will reflect will contain less amount of energy. But in this process, there is no energy loss taking place because no absorption by the surface will take place here, reflecting surface. Because reflecting surface is transparent, so there is no loss of energy here. That is why it is called total. In ordinary reflection, the image will be less bright, but here the image will be very bright because of no loss of energy. If you want to form a brighter image, we should go for total internal reflection. The brighter image will be formed because there is no loss of energy here in this case. Okay. Now you have to learn diagrams like very simple case. Suppose we are having this is glass, this is air, and ray of light is going like this, and I show this angle 30 degree. This is case 1. Another case, I'll show the angle here. Normal, this angle I will show 42 degree, number 2. Third case, I will be showing like these 3 diagrams I will draw. This angle I will show 60 degree, third diagram. This is also same, only glass, air. This is also glass, air, like this. And question comes, copy and complete these diagrams. Copy and complete the diagrams. How to complete? We'll see the first case. This is the angle of incidence. This is the question where we are finding the solution. This is 48 degrees. We must draw normal first. 90 minus 48, this will come 42. Now this 42 degree we are comparing. 42 degree is less than critical or equal. If it is equal, that means the ray will just touch and go. Alright. Now I'll change the question slightly. Here only I'll give this angle now. 45 degree I'll give now. 45 degree here. I'll give this angle now. For example, 42 degree here, 42 degree. Here the angle given is 42 degree, 42. Let us see. Try and tell me. Here the students make mistake, what they think this angle is 42 degree and they think that critical angle is also 42 degrees, they will do that, which is wrong. So you must draw normal first. So draw normal at this point. Normally draw here. This angle will be how much? 90 minus 42. This angle will be 48 degree. Okay. Yeah, 48 degree is more than critical or less than. We say it is more because critical angle value is 42. More than critical angle means TIR will take place, total internal reflection. Now you see here, when internal reflection will take place, the ray will be going like this, internal reflection. Again, the ray is striking the surface. Here also we have to see what is happening here at this point. What is happening? The ray will be bending away from the normal or TIR. What will happen here? We'll check that. There also we'll check at the time of TIR. Because ray is still in the glass only. It has not come out. Now we'll draw another normal here. Another normal we'll draw here. Normal at this point. And now we'll check. This is 48. This angle will be also 48. This is 42. So this angle will be also 42. These two angles are equal. These two angles also will be equal. Now like this is a alternate angle, interior alternate angle. This is 42. This angle will also come 42 degree here. Now we see angle in the glass, that is denser medium is 42 degree, which is equal to the critical. This angle will again compare with the critical angle. This angle is equal to critical or less or more. If it is equal, that means the ray will just touch the surface and go. It will go like this way. This is how you will complete. TIR side, the ray will be reflecting and striking the surface. There again you have to see what angle it is going to make. The angle of incidence for glass is how much degree, and you have to compare it with the critical angle. Is it less, equal, or what is it? You will compare. If it is equal, the ray will touch and go like that. Understood? Now a similar figure I will give, but this angle I will change and I will give this angle value 60 degree here. 60 degree I will give. Now this angle I will give 60 degree, and then ask you to copy and complete. Just complete this one and tell me. This one the original question, and this is the answer for it. We'll do. Do this one and tell me what is happening. Just tell me what is happening. I will be satisfied. Yes, Pratik. Yeah, it is less than critical. Then what is happening? Only go away from the normal. Yes, there only. This angle become 30 degree, which is less than critical. The ray will be bending away from the normal. Finished. The ray is bending away from the normal. Yes, no. Now I'll change and give this angle value 30 degree around. Here I will be giving the angle value 30 degree here. 30 degree. Not do. 30 degree I am giving. Okay, just try. Yeah. Try it and show me on the screen if you can show. That is, we'll always bother when the ray travels from denser to the ray medium, we always bother the angle of incidence, whether it is equal, less, or more, what is happening. Can you share it on the screen? Pratik, your answer is just show me your answer. Bring your copy close to the screen. Put your video on and oh, you're using. Oh, okay, tell me what is happening here. Uh-huh. It is more than critical, so TIR will take place, isn't it? Now the second surface, what is happening here? What is happening here at this surface? Tell me. Yes, away from the normal. Good. You got it right. Now, here we'll be doing as is first. This is 30. This is now I've changed the questions. This is 30 degree, right? 30 degree here. This will be 60 degree. The ray will be undergoing PIR. Total interaction. This angle will be 60. This is 30. This also will be 30. Here I'll draw a normal line. This is 30. So this angle will be 30 degree here. 30 degree we are comparing with the critical angle here. This is again glass, no, denser medium, 30 degree, and critical angle value is 42 degree. It is less or more or equal. What is it? We find it is less. Then the ray will be refracting away from the normal here, away from the normal, this side. So this is all you have to complete. Understand? Whenever ray of light travels from denser to the rarer medium, you have to draw normal and check this angle. How much is this angle? And you have to compare with the critical angle value, which is for glass air surface is 42 degree, and it should be mentioned in the question. If it is some other medium, so they will give the value of critical angle. They will say take the critical angle value for this pair of media equal to this. They will mention in the question paper. With that value, you have to compare it. They supply that value. For glass here, we know that it is 42 degrees. They will also give in the question paper. It will be mentioned. So accordingly, we will do. Understood? Thing, instead of giving a rectangular glass block, they may give it in the form of a quadrant piece of glass like this. They will actually copy and complete like this is given. One diagram is given like this. Just have a look at it. This is given 42 degree. This is glass. This is air. Let us complete this. Complete. Same logic will apply and complete. We are showing a quadrant piece of glass. Quadrant piece of glass is given in the form of quarter circle, quadrant. And they're asking copy and complete this diagram. So you draw the diagram here and try to complete it here. Like this. Okay, now tell me what will be happening here. It is more than PIR. Yes, good. Okay. Do and show me. Tell me finally what is happening here. You're doing well, Ruchika. You're understanding well. It will touch and go. Huh? It will touch and go. No. It will touch the surface and go, isn't it? Yes, good. So you're doing like this. This is and normal. This should be 48 degree. So PIR will take place. Here this angle will be same 48 degree here. This is also 42 degree. Here again I draw normal here. This angle will be 42. So this angle will come 42 degree. So it is equal. So the ray will be touching the surface and going. Yeah, like this. Mark the arrows everywhere. Arrow marking is important. Everywhere you must mark the arrow. No arrow, no marks. Remember. Understood? Now, I'll give one more here, then you have the idea. I'll give one more here, okay? Let's see. This is given 30-degree here. Complete. Okay. Copy and complete. This is the diagram and you're supposed to copy and complete it. Yeah, TIR will occur, yes. And then second surface, what will happen? From the second surface, what will happen? You're doing well. Less than critical. Then only refraction away, no? Good. Good, good. You've done very well. You understood the concept. Like this is 90-degree. This is the angle 30-degree given. I'll draw normal first. This angle is 60-degree, which is more than critical. So TIR will take place here. Here again, I will draw normal. This angle is 60 degrees. Okay. So this is the actual diagram, and here we are completing. I think you got the idea. Understood? Of course, this is glass, this is air. They will mention the question that this is glass, this is air, this is glass, this is air. That will also be mentioned in the question only. And critical angle value also will be given in the question. Say critical angle for glass air surface is equal to 42 degree. It will be mentioned. Understood? Yeah. Tomorrow we'll be doing this kind of questions only about the prism. Okay, they will give a prism diagram they will give. Okay, tomorrow we'll be doing it. Prism diagram, most probably we'll finish this chapter tomorrow. Okay, so please, everybody should join the class now, because only few of you join the class. Join the live class. All right, I'll end now.